Hi, welcome to this lesson on NiCE EEM scheduled reporting. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to schedule and manage reports within NiCE Employee Engagement Manager. Scheduled reporting allows you to create recurrent reports in EEM, while also enabling great flexibility when configuring the recurrence based on your needs. For example, you can generate a report once a week, on the first of every month, every Tuesday and Wednesday, and much more. Now, let's see how to make use of scheduled reporting in EEM. Once logged into EEM, select Reports on the left-hand side panel to access the Reports screen. Select the Scheduled Reports tab. Here, you will see a list of reports currently scheduled, as well as the Add Scheduled Report button. Let's go through the process of creating a new scheduled report. Scheduled reports are created by following a simple three-step process. Step 1 is for details and parameters. Here, you will enter a name for the report and select the type of report you wish to generate. Notice the reports will be created in Excel format. After selecting the report type, you will be asked for more information. These options may vary slightly based on which report type is selected. Here, we are selecting line of business, program, site, and supervisor. Notice that some of the drop-downs are multiple selection and will allow you to select or clear all for ease of use. Finally, this report is asking us to select which status and timeframe to report on. Again, keep in mind these options may vary slightly for each report, but the principles remain. Step 2 is all about recurrence. Select Recurring to configure how often the report is generated, or once for a one-off report. Once lets you schedule the report for later, or generate it immediately. The Recurrence section allows you to determine whether the report repeats on a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. You will receive additional options based on what you select. Our example report will be generated on the first Monday of every month. Now, enter the desired start date for the report generation. If you wish, the report generation can end on a particular date or after a certain number of occurrences. You can also choose to let the report run indefinitely by selecting No End Date. Finally, set the generation time and preferred time zone. Step 3 allows you to enter email addresses to notify when the report is generated. You can input up to 50 addresses, including those outside your company's domain. Once the report has been successfully scheduled, it will show up on the Scheduled Reports tab. Click the three dots to the right of the report to see some management options. You can see the report's generation history, delete, or deactivate the report. If you want to delete several scheduled reports at a time, select them using the checkboxes to the left and click the Delete button on the top. You should now have all you need to schedule your own reports in EEM. Thank you.